This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies with brownie mix. First, gather your ingredients: the brownie mix, eggs, vegetable oil, and water. Next, preheat your oven to the temperature specified on the brownie mix box, usually around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, prepare your baking pan, typically an 8x8 or 9x13-inch pan, by lightly greasing it or lining with parchment paper. Now it's time to mix. Carefully empty the entire contents of the brownie mix package into a large mixing bowl. Then, add the exact amounts of eggs, oil, and water as directed on the box. Using a spoon or spatula, stir all the ingredients together until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into your prepared baking pan, spreading it gently to the corners. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for the duration specified on the brownie mix package, which is often between 25 and 35 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. After baking, remove the brownies from the oven and place the pan on a wire rack to cool. It's crucial to let them cool completely in the pan before attempting to cut them, which can take at least 1 to 2 hours. Once fully cooled, cut your brownies into squares using a sharp knife. Now, they are ready to serve and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.